This video quickly walks you through on how to make files uploaded on Google Drive offline. It also answers the question that users ask, which is, can someone access Google Drive offline? Okay, to make a file offline on Google Drive, first you need to be connected to the internet before we can complete the task. Okay, you can see here I'm connected to a hotspot. So after that, the next step is to access the Google Drive. Look at mine here. I will tap on it. Once the mobile app opens, you may find yourself on the home like this, all right? But that's not where we're going to start with. So tap on files, all right? So this gives you access to all the files you have on your Google Drive account. So let's go and look for one file and make it offline. So look at this one named Excel 365. Let's work with it. So I will tap on the three dots for you to make it offline and then select the option of make available offline. All right. So when you do this, whether you are want your Google Drive is connected to internet or not, you'll be able to access the file and use it for anything you want to use it for. So, but anyone that is not made offline cannot have that feature. So let's close this. So I've closed this now and let's turn off the internet on this phone. All right, I've done that. So let's try and see if we can access the file again. I'll swipe up and tap on the drive again. You can see here, can't retrieve file information, check your internet or something like that. So meaning that my internet is turned off here. So let's see if we can access a file when the internet is turned off. So you can see all these ones are great until this particular one we made available offline. All right, this is a 365, meaning I can access it. So let me tap on it. And you can see the file opens easily. So that's how to make a file available offline. And to answer some questions, so users ask whether they can access Google Drive offline. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Here we cover a lot on information technology, so subscribe to learn more.